We are pleased to show you the 2021 CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.